Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 easy crafts for kids for the Christmas season. And here on my Christmas tree, you're getting a glimpse at them. So the gumball machine and then the ugly or cute Christmas sweaters. And we even were able to tie the Christmas sweaters to a Bible story, the story of Joseph and his rainbow coat from the Old Testament. So that was super fun. If you are new here, thank you so much for being here. I'm a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1.5-year-old. So let's get right into today's video. So here are the craft supplies for the 2 different crafts. Pom-poms, and then the little Christmas balls, and then the little cups. I picked up my Christmas balls from Amazon. I got a big pack a few years ago and we're still using them, but you can also find these little balls, Christmas balls, at the Dollar Tree to fill up and create these super cute gumball machines. Then I have some stamps, and I have a die for a die cut that I can run through my machine for the sweaters, but you can definitely find a template online as well. So here I'm just showing the kids what we're going to make, giving them a few instructions, and then we will go ahead and get started on creating the gumball machine. I think this is super cute and they turned out really fun. This is so easy for the kids to do. I have the balls that open and you put them back together. You can also just get ones where you take off the top and you can put them in. So the kids just added the pom-poms, and then we put the 2 pieces back together, and then we will do the next step for the bottom. I'm just going to show you some footage here of the kids, all of the kids putting their gumball machines together. This was so fun and easy to make. Even my 4-year-old could do it. Definitely, I think younger kids could do this too. Definitely for the hot glue gun, younger kids will need supervision. My boys were able to do it by themselves. They have hot glue guns in their rooms, and they're always crafting with cardboard, so I trust them. But younger kids would definitely need supervision for this. So the ball is put together and we can get started on the next part after I show you all of the kids creating these fun elements. Let me know down below in the comments if you have made any Christmas crafts this year, maybe with kids, maybe on your own. What is your favorite Christmas craft to make? I would definitely like to know. It is so fun to make crafts for Christmas, DIYs, and all of the things. So fun. I think these would be super cute to make for a Christmas gift too. Maybe you are getting a gift card for somebody. Pair it with this little gumball machine for someone to put on their tree. So here's the next step, adding glue to these little Dixie cups. Solo cups, they're called here. And then popping the Christmas ball filled with pom-poms on top. And then once this is dry, you can go back in with a permanent marker and do the hole and then add 25 cents. You can also do a pop can tab. I've seen that done. You could add different things for the buttons and the hole for the gumballs to come out. So my son did the hot glue directly on the Christmas ball, and that works too. So super fun and easy, just a few steps. Then the next one, all you need is some Christmas stamps, some ink, and then your template for the sweater. You could also use colored pencils, which we did do. We used the colored pencils or crayons to color in the images. I also used a pen to add to my daughter's and make it our own. We worked on hers together. And definitely when you are making kids' Christmas crafts, don't forget to write the date and the name on the back for all of those Christmas memories. So for the Christmas sweater, we were also able to tie it into the story of Joseph from the Bible. We were looking at the story of Joseph this month, and we had these out, and I was like, hey, why don't you make Joseph's coat? His rainbow coat. So that was a fun extra, using these to just add to our Bible study story. We are using the Rabbit Trails Through Homeschool Old Testament Bible curriculum. So that was a rabbit trail that we created on our own through life, and I think that was a very fun rabbit trail to go on. So if you are using that curriculum and you have not got to that story yet, this is something you can do. Or maybe you can still do this, even though you've done that, and be like, hey, remember when we did that story about Joseph? Let's make his rainbow coat during Christmas time. So it was super fun, and we had these out for a couple days, and the kids made a few here and there. And this is something that everybody can do. Stamping is always fun for kids. You could even make the sweaters bigger. Find the template that you love. I'm sure if you just search ugly Christmas sweater template, you will find one on Google. So once we are all done with this, I will be closing up the video. You saw what they look like when they were all done at the beginning with the pan of the Christmas tree. So that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join us here, and hopefully we can inspire you along the way. Bye for now.